Okay, I wanted to show y'all preserving apples and freezing them. And so first what I did was I soaked my apples in vinegar and water to get the wax off. And so if you want to keep the skin on, that's absolutely up to you. I actually, because of what I'm going to use the apples for, am not going to leave the skin on. But I did still soak them first. And then I rinse them off. And then ultimately what I do is I come over, peel the skin off because again, I'm going to make apple butter and I'm going to use them for smoothies. And I'm going to use them to make my husband an apple cobbler. And so what I do is just literally cut the apple in quarters, skin them. And then this here is a water with lemon mixture so that the apples don't brown. And so after that, and I haven't set it up quite yet, but I will line a cookie sheet with parchment paper or wax paper. I will lay just a sheet of wax paper on a cookie sheet. And then I will lay the apples out on the cookie sheet. And I actually dry them with paper towel. I sit them on paper towel before I put them onto the wax paper. And then ultimately slide them in the freezer. Let them freeze up some so they're separated. And then I throw them into a bag. And then let me show you guys the finished result. And this is the finished result here, frozen apples. So I'm doing some more here and just wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight on doing that before your apples go brown. So I eat as many as I can when I buy them, and then before they start to go bad, this is what I do.